In this video we'll look at the modeling interface and specifically how to view and navigate in 3D. The easiest way to navigate around a 3D model is with the mouse and keyboard. Use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out of the model. And press down on the scroll wheel to grab and pan. Press the Shift key and middle mouse button as you move the mouse to orbit the model. The cursor changes to an orbit icon indicating you're in orbit mode. As you navigate around and through the 3D model, the location of the model in space remains constant. It's only your current viewpoint of the model that changes. The Look From tool navigates around the model from a set of predefined viewpoints. Use Zoom Extents to revert to the extents of the model, by launching Zoom in the command line and choosing the Extents option within the command. By launching Perspective in the command line, you can toggle the perspective view on and off. You can see the current view properties in the Properties panel. Let's look at how to isolate and hide entities using the quad cursor. Start by hovering over an entity in the model. You can choose more than one entity by left-clicking on a selection. And this will bring up the quad cursor. And if we go down to General, we can then choose to either hide or isolate an entity. To return to viewing all elements in the model, bring up the quad in no selection mode. Go to General, and Show Entities.